We're at the apple plate picking place.
Hi.
The first stop is to see the goats.
I probably should not be touching this.
Ah, yeah, you probably not. Oh, he's laying over. He wants to be pet like Noah. Do you know Noah?
No.
Uh-huh.
Be careful with your head, buddy.
Hey, buddy. It's a sheep. What did you ask last year? Why this one has fur?
Something about its fur. Hi. I don't have food.
Baby goats. Hey, buddy. Trying to get the food that's over there? Oh, is this your friend?
You're short.
Get your head in there.
You have a belly like
Slimy. Sunflowers.
Yeah, I'll fill it right now.
Rougher than a corn cob.
No, not like the biggest one. Been on the line.
$35 to do your own labor. They really get this apple picking down, huh? You gotta stop and shop and get a bag for $5.
Yeah, but it's the experience.
Is it the experience? Ooh, look at that tree, it's pretty. How many apples do you think you need before we leave?
How many can I eat?
Yeah, I have almost 16 of them. Wow. You're like a professional apple puller.
I am.
Apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple a day keeps the doctor away. So many apples. So many apples. So many. Do you think people in Florida go orange picking?
Yeah.
Which is funny because I thought fall was like maybe just warm.
Alright, so next day, we're now at a Patriots camp. Ironically enough. So I think we gotta cut, we gotta keep going straight, I think. Try to find a crowd of people. Suzi's chugging a beer real quick before she goes into the game.
Diet Coke, which I shouldn't be having either, but
Yeah, could be worse. People watching this video, last time we reported we were apple picking. That's the next day. We didn't do a recap.
no, we didn't.
We picked apples and now we're here. Patriots place. That's pretty cool down there. I've never actually been in this area like pre-game. Like to go to one of these bars or restaurants or something like that. But it is a good idea if you were taking the train in. They give you something to do. You know what I mean?
But the train gets here like
It does, like
30
now.
minutes before.
The train's getting in now, yeah. Oh man, you're sweaty.
Sweaty.
You are sweaty girl.
You're the one that throws in the head.
Well, what are you diddling?
You.
Think Julian Elman's here? You think Julian Elman's here?
Yeah.
You think so? I'd say so.
Fans, visit justins.com/Patriots and keep safe.
You're a Jets fan, right?
What better way to show your team
Jets,
pride
Jets,
than
Jets?
relive our
No?
6th Super Patriots? We remind you to always be celebrating with Pepsi.
Who, the Patriots? Yeah.
Pro Football Hall of Famer, Tom!
Here they go. Here they go, right above us. Yeah!
Good afternoon, gentlemen. This is the coin that we'll be using for today's toss. It's a 100th season commemorative coin. That logo is heads. The other side is tails. The Jets get to call the toss. They have called tails. It is heads. The Indians won the toss. And the choice for the second half. Jets get the ball first at this end of the field. Good luck, gentlemen.
They show so we play this every Friday. had dinner on Friday. We went apple picking yesterday. We were gonna make apple cider, but we got tired.
Tummy stop.
And went to the Pats game today.
I look like Cindy Lou.
Make sure you subscribe. We'll see you. The Wicked Explorers of Arty 84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com.